All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we are starting a stock market math activity. You will have seen that either today or you'll see it tomorrow. Today's April 25th. Two of my classes kind of got a gist of what we were doing yesterday, but not everybody, not my one class. You know which class I'm talking about. So let me explain what we're doing. You are going to hypothetically be purchasing 1,000 shares of stock in one of these companies from this list. Just one. You are going to hypothetically purchase 1,000 shares of stock. Now, I did an example of how we're going to keep track of that. Okay? Yahoo isn't on there. So, my hypothetical purchase of 1,000 stocks or 1,000 shares of Yahoo was purchased on April 25th. You're going to go back and look at yours for April 25th too. So for example, if you chose Amazon, you would get on the interweb and you would search stock price for Amazon on May 25th. Hit search, and it's going to show you the stock price for Amazon was whatever it is. It'll tell you. So, May 25th, the stock price, each share is $48.43. So if I bought one share of Yahoo, it would be $48.43. But this assignment says you're buying 1,000 shares of Yahoo stock. Which means, on May 25th, if one share costs $48.43, 1,000 shares would cost $48,430. So that's how much, on May 25th, I am buying 1,000 shares. That's how much I have to pay. I am paying $48,430 for 48 shares, or for 1,000 shares of stock, each one this price. Now what you're going to do is you're going to keep track each day that appears on this chart. Now, stock market's not open on Saturdays and Sundays, so I didn't include Saturday and Sunday on here. But you're going to keep track of the price per share. Take that and multiply it by 1,000, and that's going to be what your stock prices are worth each day. That's not how much you're paying each day. We only bought the stock one time. We bought, on May 25th, we bought 1,000 shares. So that's how much we paid. These are going to tell us how much those stock are worth. Now, on May 9th, we're going to sell our 1,000 shares. So, whatever you get, whatever the value of one share is, times 1,000, that's how much you're going to sell your stocks for. At the end, we're going to see, did you make money or did you lose money? And again, you don't have to go to the big stock market page. All you have to do is go in there, pick one of these stocks, type out stock price for Yahoo on April 25th. And it's going to tell you $48.43 per share. I bought 1,000. That's what it's worth. So you're going to go through it on all these days on this chart. Wait, I forgot to do April 28th. What should I do? You can get on there, stock price for Yahoo, April 28th. Search, and it's going to tell you the price. You don't even have to go to the page. It'll tell you, boom, right there at the top. That's how I found it. Okay? So this is what we're doing. This just requires multiplying by 1,000. And when you multiply by 1,000, let's look at this. $48.43 times 1,000. When I'm multiplying by 1,000, I'm making the number greater. 1,000 is a power of 10. It has 3 zeros behind it. That means I move my decimal point to the right 3 times. So I'd have to add a 0 there. That's where my decimal point would go. That's how I got 48,430. Because now my decimal point's here. Okay, so I don't even really have to do any math until I get to the bottom, and see how much I sold it for. Did I make money? Did I lose money? Okay, some things that can affect a stock price. Well, let's say Yahoo gets hacked, and some hacker gets all your Yahoo information, your email account, your passwords, your credit card numbers. This price is going to go way down. Google gets hacked. Maybe Yahoo goes way up. So there are outside forces that are going to affect your price per share. Okay? After you get this chart down, you find the stock price for April 25th, there are a few questions you're going to have to go through and answer. You're going to have to describe what your company does. So I get on the interweb. What does Yahoo do? Yahoo! And I'd search it, and then I'd have to answer the question. Yahoo is a web-based service that supplies email and search engines and blah, 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 blah. I'd have to research it. I can't just make it up. And then you're going to say, at the end, did you make money? So at the end, if my value here is more than $48,430, I made money. If it's less, I lost money. And how much did I make or how much did I lose? Okay, and then at the last, after we did this, you're going to do some research and you're going to decide if you bought something else, would you have made money that way? So if instead of buying Yahoo, if I bought Coca-Cola, would I have made more money with Coca-Cola than I did with Yahoo? And to do that, you can kind of just get with somebody else in here that bought something different. That's the bottom line. So, any questions? No questions? Excellent. Have a wonderful day. Do your work. Today we're going to get caught up with anything missing, which will be on the board over there. Highlighted. What? It's going to be highlighted on there. And you're going to finish anything missing. Then you're going to get this started. And then you're going to have to do some other stuff, which I will have posted up here so you can see. Boom! Shakalaka. Love y'all. God bless.